students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. In previous lecture, we have completed exercise 2.4 question number 2 word problem, that is on page number 28. So now open your books, open your book, open page number 28. Today we are going to do the remaining word problems, okay? So now read question number 3. 7,12,956 people comprising man and woman. Total how many people? 7,12,956 people watched the cricket match between India and South Africa. They watched the cricket match, okay? If there were 2,65,567 women, how many men watched the cricket match? Total number of people is given and the number of women watched match is given. Now you want to find the number of men. How many number of men watched the cricket match? So to understand this, let us take an example. Suppose in your class there are 30 students. Total people or total students. Total students are 30. Okay, total students are 30, and out of 30, 18 are girls. Number of girls in your class. Number of girls in your class are 18. 18. Out of 30, total, how many total students? 30. And out of 30, how many girls are in your class? 18 girls are there in your class. So now tell me how many boys in your class. If total number of students are 30 and out of 30, 18 are girls, then how many are boys? So what you will do? You will subtract this 18 from the 30 to get the number of boys, right? So number of boys equals to 30 minus 18. You have to arrange this 30 and 18 in columns, then you will subtract. Now when you subtract, you cannot subtract 8 from the 0, so you will take borrow and it becomes 10. Now you can subtract 8 from the 10. 10 minus 8. If you subtract 8 from the 10, you get 2, right? Here you can see that the 3 has given the borrow to the neighbor. So here only 2 left. So now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. How many left? 1. So your answer is 12. So number of boys in your class is 12, right? Total number of students in your class 30. Number of girls were 18 and your question was how many boys in your class? So how many boys? 12. So this question, it was an example. To understand this, here total number of people comprises of men and women 7,12,956. Out of them, number of women are 2,65,567. Now you want to find out how many number of men watch the cricket. So how you will find? You will subtract the number of women from the total people and you will get your answer, right? So total people this much, this many, number of women 2,65,567. Number of men equals to total minus number of women. Now what you have to do for getting the answer? First of all, you will arrange both the numbers column wise. In rough work you can do this. Always remember the larger number in subtraction we write at the top. So it is the larger number, so I am writing it on the top. Now the second number 2,65,567. Now you see that which operation we are doing here? We are using subtraction. So I will put minus sign here. Now start subtracting. 6 minus 7. You cannot subtract 7 from the 6 because 6 is the smaller than 7. Now what you have to do, you will take a borrow. When you take borrow, it becomes 16 as you are taking borrow from the tens place. So it becomes 16. As you see that the 5 given has given the borrow. So here only 4 left. Okay. Now start solving from the ones place. It is ones place. Subtract 7 from the 16. How many left? Do it. Subtract 7 from the 16. Left here. Okay. Now come to the tens place. Here 4 and the second number is 6. You cannot subtract 6 from the 4. Then what you will do? You will take the borrow from the neighbor. So when you take borrow, it becomes 14, right? And the 9 has given borrow to its neighbor. So here only 8 is remaining. We remember when you write the borrows or carry, write those numbers in circle so that later you can understand that it is borrow or it is carry. Okay. So write the borrow or carried number in the circle. Now start solving. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. How much? How many? 14 minus 6. 8. Okay, now 8 minus 5. How much? How many will left? 8 minus 5? 3. You cannot subtract 5 from the 2. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow from the neighbor. So it becomes 12. As 1, here only 0 is left. 12 minus 5 is 7. You cannot subtract 6 from the 0, so you will take the borrow from the neighbor. When you take the borrow, it becomes 10 and this number becomes 6. Now solve this column. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now subtract the last column, that is next column. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So your answer is 4,47,389. So our answer is 4,47,389. So your answer will be, how many number of men watch the cricket match? There 4,47,389 men watch the cricket match. Right now you no need to note down this word problem. In PDF I will provide you, so just understand only. Now let's solve the next word problem, that is the word problem number 4. Word problem number 4, read. Out of 5,26,438 people who visited Goa last year, 12,560 were Indian visitors. How many were foreign tourists? Okay. Every year people come to, in summer vacations or in winter vacations, you go to visit the different places of our country, right? So in the same manner, the other country peoples also come to visit our India. Okay, so we call them as foreigners, right? So foreigners also come to visit India. So here the question given is total how many people visited Goa? Total 5,26,438 people visited the Goa. Okay. Out of that, 12,560 were Indians. Okay, and the remaining were foreigners. So again you see, you observe that here you have to follow the subtract. We have need to do the subtraction. Okay. So total people visited. Total people visited Goa. How many? 5,26,438. Okay. Number of Indian visitor. Number of Indian visitors. Number of Indian visitors equals to 12,560, and you want to find out the number of foreign visitors. So how you will get your answer, number of foreign visitor? Number of foreign visitors equals to this large number minus this, then you will get your answer minus 12,560. So you cannot directly write the answer. So in rough work, what you have to do? In rough work, arrange both the numbers column wise, and then do the subtraction. So your first number, you write larger number first, and here out of these two our larger number is 5,26,438, so I am writing it first. Then the next number is 12,560. I put the symbol, do not forget to put the symbol. Now subtract 8 minus 0, 8, 3 minus 6, you cannot subtract 6 from the 3. So now take borrow from the neighbor, it becomes 13 as it takes borrow, and it becomes 3 only. Now subtract 6 from the 13, subtract and tell me the answer. Subtract and tell me the answer. How many left? Seven, right? 7 is left. When you subtract, how many left? 7 is left over here. Now see the next column, 3 minus 5. You cannot subtract 5 from the 3. So now you have to take the borrow from the neighbor. When you take the borrow, it becomes 13. It gives borrow. So here only 5 is left. Now solve this column, 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, how many? 8 is left. Now next column, 5 minus 2. Yes, we can subtract 2 from the 5. So subtract it. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Good. 5 minus nothing. Here nothing, no digit is there. So 0 is there. 5 minus nothing is 5. So what is our answer? 5,13,878 foreigners visited the Goa last year. How many foreigners? 5,13,878 foreigners visited Goa last year. Okay, so our exercise 2.5, 2.4 over here. Now I am going to teach you the properties of subtraction. As we have discussed the properties of addition, in the same manner our next topic is properties of subtraction, which is also on the page number 28 of your book. You can see that properties are given in your book. See on page number 28, here the heading properties of subtraction is given. So we are going to discuss the properties of subtraction topic. Our topic is properties of subtraction. Property of 0. Our first property is property of 0. In addition also we have discussed the 0 property of addition, right? Here also property of 0 or 0 property of subtraction we are going to discuss. What this property states or says, what this property states or says? It says that if you remove 0 from any number, if you subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. Let us take an example to understand this. If the number is 13, okay, and you want to remove 0 from it or you want to subtract 0 from it, what you will get the answer? Let's check. The property says that if you subtract 0 from any number, you get the number itself. That number itself. Let's check. Our number is 13. We are subtracting 0 from it. 3 minus 0. How many left? 3 minus 0 means nothing. 3 minus nothing. 3 is left. Here 1 minus. Here nothing is there. Means 0 is there. 1 minus 0 is also 1. So you see that when we subtract 0, when we remove 0 from the 13 or 0 from any number, we get that number itself. As we subtracted 0 from 13, we get 13 itself in our answer. So this is the 0 property of subtraction. Okay, 0 property of subtraction. What is our example we took? 13 minus 0 equals to 13. It's just for an explanation purpose. Do not write the properties right now. Just understand what I am teaching. Properties of 0. Property of 0. Okay. Which properties we are discussing? We are discussing properties of subtraction. Now next property is property of 1. Property of 1. Only 1. Right. This property says that if you subtract 1 from any number, the result is the just before number. Okay, suppose, let's take an example. Suppose your roll number is 15. Your roll number is 15 and it is the property of 1. If you are subtracting 1 from it, what you will get? You will get 14. So 14 is the just before of the 15, right? 14 is the just before roll number of the 15. Your roll number is 15 and your just before roll number is 14. So when you subtract 1 from the given number, you get the predecessor. And what you call the just before number? You call it predecessor. Predecessor. Right? 14 is here predecessor. Means the property of 1. If 1 is subtracted from any number, not only 15, from any number, the difference or the result is the predecessor of the number, right? Let's take another example. Suppose I am subtracting 1 from the 26. So my number is 26 and the result is 26 minus 1 is 25. So 25 is the predecessor of 26. Okay. Let's discuss the last property of subtraction, that is subtraction of a number from itself. Subtraction of a number. Next property is subtraction of a number from itself. Subtraction of a number from itself. Now what this property says? This property says that if Suppose you subtract a number from itself, you will get 0. Example for it is, suppose your number is 21 and you subtract 21 from 21, you will get 0. If you subtract 2 from 2, you will get 0. Means if you subtract any number from itself, the number from itself you get 0. The number from itself you subtract, you get 0. Right? If you subtract 16 from 16, you will get 0. Right? So we have discussed three properties: properties of 0, property of 1, subtraction of number from itself. What property of 0 says? If you subtract 0 from any number, you get the number itself. If you subtract 1 from any number, you get the predecessor of the number. If you subtract number from the number itself, you get 0 as a result. Okay, I hope you understand well the topic. Now, open page number 28, exercise 2.5. We are going to discuss exercise 2.5. Okay, do not note it down. Open exercise 2.5 on page number 28. See this. Fill in the blanks. Take out your pencils. Now you have to fill the answers in the book. But later, after noting down the answer, you have to write this exercise in copy also. So now, be ready with your pencil. First, question 1 we are discussing. Question 1, fill in the blanks, part A. 65,432 minus 0. What will be your answer? Here you are subtracting 0 from a given number, right? If you subtract 0 from any number, you get the number itself. So here you are subtracting 0 from the number. So you will get the number itself. So you will get 65,432, right? Part B. Part B of the question 1. 1,25,126 minus 1. Now, which property it is? Property of 1 of subtraction. If you are subtracting 1 from the number, you get predecessor just before number. So, also here you are subtracting 1 from the given number. What you will get? You will get just before number. So, here 1,25,126 and just before will be 125. Good. Next part, 22,567 minus 22,567. Now tell me what will be your answer. You are subtracting from the number itself. If the number, now subtraction of a number from itself, you are subtracting 21 from 25, you got 0. When you subtract 2 from 2, you got 0. When you subtract the number from itself, you got 0. So now observe these two numbers here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. All the digits are same. This is the 22,567 and you are subtracting 22,567 from it. When you subtract the number from itself, you get 0, right? Part D, the given number is 45,623 minus what? And your answer is the same, 45,623. Now observe, when you what you will subtract, what the number here come and you got the same answer. Which number will come here? 0 or 1 or 3. Observe the given number and your answer. Your given number and answer is same. Here observe that given number and answer is same. So when this happens, here the given number and answer is different, but here the number and answer is same. So here the property of 0 follows. When you subtract 0 from the given number, you got the number itself as the answer. Part E, which is on page number 29, blank minus 88,373 equals to 0. Which number will come here to get the 0? Observe the properties. When we got the answer 0, when we subtract the number from itself. Okay, as here you can observe. When you subtract 21 from 21, you got 0. When you subtract 2 from 2, you got 0. So, when you got 0, when you subtract the number from itself, so your answer will be the same number, 88,373. When you subtract 88,373 from itself, you will get 0. Now part F, blank minus 1 equals to 93,837. Now tell me which number will come here, which property it is? Right, it is the property of 1, right? Property of 1. So, when you subtract 1 from the given number, you got its predecessor. Now you want to find this number. So, which number will come? Right, you will add this number to this. You got your answer, 93,838. When you subtract 1 from it, you will get 93,837. Okay. Now last part, part G. I hope you have noted down the answer in your book by using pencil only. I am erasing the work now. Now part G. Your given number is 98,045 minus 98,045. Now tell me what will be the answer. What you are doing here? Observe the number. You are subtracting 98,045 from the 98,045. Which property it is? That is the property of third property, which says if you subtract a number from itself, you got 0. You got 0. The last part is at 99,999 minus 1. Which property it is? Observe from the board. It is the property of 1. You see that you are subtracting 1. You are subtracting 1 from this number. What you will get? You will get the predecessor of the number. And if you have any confusion, no need to worry. Just arrange the number column wise and do subtraction. So, you will write 1 over here? No, it's the wrong way. The 1 will come under the 1's place. Now subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8. This 9 will come as it is, this 9 as it is, 9 as it is, and 9 as it is. So your answer is 99,998. So our question 1 is over here. Now open question 2. Be ready with the pencil. I think you can do it. You have to use the properties here only. Question 2, part A, 56,234 minus 0 equals to B, 4,25,693 minus 4,25,693. Part C, 83,000. I am writing the questions right now. 83,735 minus 1. What will be your answer next? 5,96,742 minus what will give you the answer as 0. Now again you are subtracting 0 from the given number. Your answer will be the same, 56,234. You are subtracting. Compare both the numbers. First observe both the numbers. Are both the numbers equal? Let's place 4, both the numbers 4. 10,000s place 2, both the number having 2. 1000s place both the number have 5. 100s place both the number have 6. 10s place both the number have 9. 1s place both the number have 3. Means both the numbers are equal. Means you are subtracting the number from itself. If you subtract the number from itself, your answer is 0. Now next, you are subtracting 1 from the given number. So what you will get? You will get its predecessor or just before number. So I am writing the just before number of 83,734 is our answer. Now the last one. What you will subtract? What you will subtract to get the 0? How you will get the 0? Observe, when you got the 0 in answer, when you subtract the number itself. So if I will subtract 5,96,742 from the 5,96,742, then only I will got the answer as 0. So this exercise is completed over here. Our today's class is over here. I will provide you the PDF after the online class. So complete your copy and keep practicing at home. Bye students.